Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country inspired cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Country inspired cottage decoration combines the warmth of rural charm with cozy, lived in elegance. It's all about creating a home that feels welcoming, timeless, and full of personality. Here are some beautiful ideas and tips to achieve this style. Display collectibles. Showcase ceramic dishes, teacups, or antique jars on open shelves. Use baskets for storage. Open baskets are both functional and decorative. Cozy nooks. Create a reading corner with a soft chair, floral cushion, and a small lamp. Add a handmade crochet drawer or quilt for an inviting touch. Vintage wall decor. Hang framed botanical prints, old mirrors, or farmhouse signs. Distressed furniture finishes. Paint wood furniture in soft hues and lightly sand the edges for a shabby chic look. Bring nature indoors. Add fresh herbs in small pots, dried lavender or wildflower bouquets. Farmhouse accessories. Add animal wire, vintage milk jugs, or old lanterns as decor pieces. Layer fabrics. Use cotton, linen, and bleach together to make the space soft and textured. Mix patterned pillows, crochet covers, and neutral base fabrics for balance. Heartfelt handmade touches. Display DIY crafts, crochet items, or hand-painted charts. They add warmth and personality. Add beadboard or shiplap walls. Cover walls with beadboard panels or shiplap for that timeless country texture. Use antique mirrors. Hang vintage or distressed mirrors to reflect light and make rooms feel larger. Dress up windows. Use lace curtains, ruffled valances, or floral drapes. Tie them back with fabric ribbons or twine for a soft, romantic look. Layer rugs. Combine oven jute rugs with floral or braided ones to add warmth and character. Add cottage-style art. Decorate with nature-inspired paintings, farm landscapes, or wildflower prints. Scented atmosphere. Use soy candles, essential oil diffusers, or dried herbs like lavender or rosemary. Vintage hardware details. Swap out modern handles for brass, ceramic, or old iron knobs. Outdoor inspired accents. Use wicker furniture, rustic planters, and weathered benches, indoors or on porches. Whimsical garden touches indoors. Bring in mini terracotta pots, watering cans, or small garden tools as decorative pieces. Feature a statement vintage piece. Choose one eye-catching item, like an antique dresser, weathered armory, or old farmhouse table, to ground the room's design. Display everyday items beautifully. Arrange teacups, wooden spoons, or baking tins openly on shelves. Add romantic lighting. Use lanterns, candelights with crystals, or string fairy lights to create a soft, dreamy glow. Embrace imperfection. Slightly mismatched furniture, uneven paint, or old finishes add authentic charm. The goal is comfort, not perfection. Every piece should feel loved and lived in. Decorate with herbs and greenery. Place potted herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint in clay pots near windows. Use handmade and local craft pages. Support artisans. Buy hand-woven baskets, pottery, macrame, or crochet decor. Add an old-fashioned clock. A pendulum clock or vintage wall clock can be a beautiful focal point. Soften spaces with draped fabrics. Drape cotton cloths, linen covers, or crochet runners over chairs and tables. Farmhouse dining area. Use a wooden farmhouse table with mix and match chairs. Add storybook details. Incorporate bird motifs, floral embroidery, lace trims, or painted furniture. Add layered curtains. Use shared lace curtains under floral or gingham drapes. with dried flowers. Arrange dried lavender, wheat or hydrangeas in jugs, bottles or tin cans. Patchwork and quilts everywhere. Add patchwork quilts to beds, sofas or even hang them on walls. Mix white with warm wood. Combine white walls or furniture with natural wood tones for a perfect balance of brightness and coziness. Create a candle corner. Use candlesticks, lanterns, or messengers for candlelight decor. Rustic wall shelves. Install open wooden shelves to display your vintage cups, plants, or books. Cottage-inspired table settings. Use lace table turners, ceramic plates, or fresh flowers as centerpieces. Mix natural fabrics. Go for cotton, linen, burlap, and crochet. They look beautiful together. Use weathered paint colors. Try muted shades like shell green, soft blue, cream, or dusty pink. Add cozy corner details. Place a vintage armchair, a floral lamp, and a stack of books near a window. Expose natural beams and brick. If possible, let wooden ceiling beams or brick walls show through. Use vintage baskets as wall decor. Hang flat oven baskets or antique trays on walls. Thanks for watching the video.